How to turn off show when you are active. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off that green point that show when you are active. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, and all you need to do is click on chats and scroll down. You have profile, click on active status, and all you need to do is you have show when you are active. Turn off this option. Turn off active status when you won't be able to see when your friends are connection are active, and click on turn off, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.